Okay, here we have got the all-new Blizzard Rustler 9. The Rustler 9 has been a super popular ski for us over the years, but this is a full brand new construction, so this is the first time we've skied the new model, and it'll be coming into our store in May this year. The Rustler has been a popular ski due to it sort of bridging the gap between a twin tip and a directional wood core metal ski. So often it's a person who grew up on twin tips but wants to get on a ski that's got a bit more oomph in the construction. I really like this ski. It's a huge improvement on the previous one. The new True Blend Flux Form metal construction is definitely more stable. The old Rustler 9 could get a little bit flappy at speed, but this thing just hung on beautifully at some pretty high speeds on some pretty firm snow. So I think we've seen a huge improvement in the ski, and I'm really excited by it.